Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Francesca and you're watching Natural and Thick. Today is episode 3 of I Make Money Moves. This is going to be a quick video about a way that you can make money. So before I actually jump into this video today, please be sure to hit that like button and the subscribe button. Let's jump into this video. Judging by the title, I'm sure that you're intrigued. Yes, I get paid to eat. The way that I'm actually paid to eat is that I am considered to be a secret shopper. What is a secret shopper, you ask? So a secret shopper is someone who is paid by a company or retailer to pose as a customer in order to evaluate the effectiveness of customer service at a particular location. I've been a secret shopper for some years now. I don't do it all the time. I just do it whenever I have some spare time and I feel like getting free food or free service or something like that. I have gotten paid to secret shop restaurants, cell phone companies, car dealerships, clothing stores, shoe stores. So I've gotten paid to do quite a bit. And for the food places, I really like doing the food locations because you can bring your family with you a lot of times and you guys can enjoy a meal together on their dime. Let me explain how this works. So for instance, I will go into a restaurant and sometimes there's definitely certain criteria that you have to meet. So they may ask you to order particular items or order from a particular section on a menu. Sometimes they want you to test how long it takes from the time that you order to the time it takes for you to actually receive your food. Because if you're going to a restaurant, you will buy something and up front and then you get reimbursed for it, plus you get your fee for actually completing this shop. If you're doing a store or a cell phone company, you don't actually have to buy anything, but you may have to still evaluate the customer service and the cleanliness of the location that you're shopping. You pose like a regular customer and keep a watchful eye and take mental notes of everything that you notice in the store. It is so fun because sometimes you have different locations that you visit and they know that they're going to be secret shop that day. They just don't know who the customer is, and so you can see them like really trying to be on their A game. This is part of their evaluation for their work performance, and so it can help them get a raise and things of that nature. So you are basically playing a part to help somebody get a raise or to help that company to improve their customer service, and it's so much fun. There's different questions that you have to respond to, and then you have to file a quick report, and the report is so easy. So if you're interested in becoming a secret shopper, I am going to give you a legit place, because here's the thing with secret shopping is that there are so many companies that are posing to be a legit secret shop company and they're not. If anybody is asking you to pay money out of your own pocket to become a secret shopper, like saying, oh, you can pay $150 today and then we'll give you a list of shops that you can complete, that's not how this works. The only time that you should be coming out of pocket is if you're buying something that you're going to be reimbursed for, and they will let you know if that is a requirement that you have to pay for something out of your pocket and then you'll be reimbursed for it, and it should never be in the hundreds of dollars. So I just want to make sure that you guys are aware of that there are some scammers out there that are pretending to be secret shop companies and they're not. I am going to tell you of a particular secret shop company that I work for. Yes, I'm giving away the actual secret. The company that I work for is a company known as Market Force. I will have the link to this company in the description box and you can sign up to be a secret shopper. This is a really quick video. I just wanted to share with you guys one quick opportunity that you could take in order to start earning additional income today. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop them down in the comments. So if you want to take a look at other ways that you can make money, please make sure that you tune into this series, you subscribe to my channel, and you hit that like button. That lets me know that you are really interested in seeing all the different ways that I've been making money this summer. So until next time, guys, it's been a pleasure. Deuces.